route, taking a quick hike, heading up to Leatherman's Cave. My friend hyped this place up pretty good. It's a pretty short hike from where we parked, and then we're gonna go back down and just check out the lake there, a little pond, and see what that's about. Looking at maybe 1.5 miles out, coming back the same direction, so less than 3 miles. Not too bad of a day. Go. This is a busy road. Tons of traffic. It's a lot of stone to climb on, and it got nice and steep on the way up. Whew. Oh. Well, it's flattened out, but I don't think we're anywhere close to the top. Oh man, only 0.8 miles, huh? Oh, I think it goes up again. Oh man. All right, straight up that rock face. We got like a partial vista. Too bad it's so noisy down there. Whew. But this is nice. Really came up steep, and we are still not at the top. Another couple minutes, right up along the ridge, and man, it really is a ridge. It is so bladed. This whole mountain seems to be on an angle. Really sharp. That's so cool. Wants us to go down, but honestly, I see more of a view over there. I think I'm gonna scoot over this way. Yeah, you can see just how angled this is. Have good boots if you're gonna come out here. I think we've been on rock just as much as dirt. So, yeah, partial view. This looks like a very obvious path, so we're gonna go off trail and just go up this really steep incline. I hope there is a view up top. Ooh. This trail is very root and rock heavy. Oh, definitely up there. I don't know if we're gonna get much of a view though. Oh, and it goes right back onto the trail. Look at that. So, is there a view? Not really. And we're here when there's really no leaves on the trees yet still. But this looks a little taller. See if we get something. Yeah, oh, wasps. Lots of wasps. Yeah, there's a lot of wasps up here. Just saying. All right, we fully descended down from that ridge. I believe we have to come up one more mountain, and then we should have a nice view, and then Leatherman's Cave. The whole second way up is just kind of a big old washout. It's boulders, small rocks, big mud embankments, and it's gradual but constant incline. It seems to just keep going. It's gotten very muddy, very, very muddy. Oh, I think we're at the top. Let's go find out. Whew. Looks like we're at the highest point, but there's more of a view up front. See, I'm like Deadman's Cave. This stuff is like on the trail, marked with an actual sign. Let's take a look. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see. At least it's pretty bright out. Oh, it's like 10 degrees cooler in here. Oh, this is interesting. Whoa. Yo, it's big in here. Jeez. This is cool. This is more like what we saw at like the Lost River Gorge. Deadman's Cave is a lot of small boulders. Little piece of art. That's funny. I guess that's it. That's pretty cool. Just hiding out here on the Blue Trail. So I don't think this is considered part of the cave, but go down just another 20 feet. There's a whole nother awesome section under the cliff here. This would be fun if I was a little smaller. Awesome for kids, minus the really big hike up. Now, this was not a bad hike to get down here. It was just really steep. 2 ways up. Going down is going to be easy. But I would say 1.5 miles, maybe. We'll check all trails later. Now we just got to go back up to go back down. Finally finished. That was a surprisingly steep hike. I wasn't expecting it to be quite that steep. Went up twice, and then the way back wasn't bad. You only had to come up one of the mountains again, and it was just all downhill from there. Really varied environments. It was nice, and that cave was pretty awesome. We probably cut our time on the way back in half compared to like going out. Way easier. But that cave alone is worth coming out to see. The view at the very top, it's pretty good, but that cave is the reason to come out here. 100% must see in Connecticut. It's a little snake. You can just barely see him. There he goes. See you later. So, taking a quick hike to go see Nonnewaug. I don't know how to say it, but we're taking a hike to see a waterfall that looked really nice online. Thank God we just saw some other people who told us we were on the wrong way. This trail is super poorly marked, and we just want to go straight up this path. You can't miss it, but it's supposed to be an awesome waterfall. Taking a right by the red post, off onto another trail. There's all these extra paths, but a couple of red posts, and a couple of signs that say to the falls. I heard a lot of people getting lost on this trail, and I can see how they do that. See, cutting right across, there's a little red post on the ground and a big red post on the other side. If you want to get in front of the waterfall, you're going to have to go down this incredibly slick set of mud. That hill is super steep, but you're rewarded with very nice views of the water. This is easily the shortest hike with the biggest reward that we've done in a long time. This waterfall is pretty awesome. It hasn't even rained in a minute, and it's like the hottest day in a couple weeks, and it's still flowing really nice. I've seen photos of it even crazier than this, which would be awesome, but it was a mile, almost level, very little elevation. The end is a little crazy, having to come down that slick hill, and you got to cross the water on these stones, which are all kind of loose. I still haven't gotten back across, so hopefully my camera doesn't fall in like it did at Spruce Brook. And now Nina's all the way at the top of the waterfall, apparently trying to cross it, but really high reward for very little work.